Ethels Tutorial Corner! Hello everyone, welcome to Ethel's Tutorial Corner. This is the Brick Breaker tutorial series. This is part 0, the introduction to the series where I will be telling you how the series will work. So, in the series we will be making Brick Breaker game. It's a type of game where you control a platform at the bottom of the screen and bounce balls to destroy the bricks on the top of the screen. We will be using Unity 3D for this project, and we will be using Unity 2020.3.30 F1. If you want to use other versions such as 2021.3.1 F1, it's also okay. This series will assume that you already know the basic operation of Unity 3D and that you have already downloaded Unity Hub and installed a Unity version. The project is a 3D project by default because I want to have the 3D graphic. There is no additional plugin that you need to download to follow this tutorial. The tutorial will be separated into parts. In each part, we will be adding a function to the game. Each part will also be divided into 2 parts. The first part is where I briefly go through the steps of adding the function into the game, and then the second part I will explain the steps in details. The reason for this is, in case you watch the video just to find an answer on how to add the certain function into your game, you don't have to go through the whole video and me explaining it in details when you already know what the steps are doing. And for those who want to know the explanations about the steps, you can watch the entire video. If you are new to Unity, I really recommend you to watch the whole video so that you will know the explanation and details of each step. I think that is all you need to know for the tutorial series. So that is all for the introduction. Thank you for watching and good luck. But most importantly, have fun. A smile.